In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to create a hanging indent in Google Docs. A hanging indent is a formatting style where the first line of a paragraph is flush left and subsequent lines are indented. It's commonly used in academic papers and works cited pages, helping improve readability and structure. To begin, make sure you have your Google Doc open and navigate to the document containing the references or text you want to format. First, highlight the portion of text that you'd like to apply a hanging indent to. This helps ensure you only change the format of the specific section you're interested in rather than the entire document. Next, move your cursor up to the top of your screen and locate the format menu in the toolbar. Click on it to reveal a drop-down list of options. Within this list, look for Align and Indent. This option allows you to adjust the alignment and indentation settings for your selected text. After selecting Align and Indent, move down the list and click on Indentation Options. This will open a new dialog box where you can make more specific formatting choices tailored to your needs. In this new menu, you'll see various settings, but the one we're interested in is the Special Indent section. Click on this drop-down menu, and a list of indentation styles will appear. Select Hanging from these options. What this does is specify that, apart from the first line, the rest of your highlighted text will be indented. Once you've selected hanging, you will be prompted to tell Google Docs how much you want to indent. You can set the precise measurement for your hanging indent here, generally in inches. A common choice for many documents, particularly academic ones, is 0.5 inches, but you can adjust this based on your specific needs or style guidelines. After entering your preferred indentation measurement, the final step is to apply the changes. Click on Apply to save your settings and format your text accordingly. Now your selected text will have a hanging indent applied to it. This not only gives your document a clean, organized appearance, but it also helps anyone reading it to understand your references or listed items more easily. If for any reason you want to adjust the indent or remove it, you can simply follow these steps again and make the necessary changes. With this simple technique, you can elevate the professionalism and readability of your documents in Google Docs. I hope this guide has been helpful for you, and feel free to revisit it whenever you're preparing a document that requires this specific style of indenting.